Have you ever wondered why your pasta never tastes quite like it does in Italy? Or why your homemade pizza can't match that of a quaint Italian trattoria? Is there a secret ingredient that makes Italian dishes so divine? Well, today we are on a culinary journey to uncover the secrets behind traditional dishes from Italy. If you're as excited as we are, hit that subscribe button and let's get cooking. Number 5. The art of pasta making. First up, pasta. Did you know there are more than 600 different shapes of pasta in Italy? Each region has its specialty, tailored to hold sauces and ingredients in unique ways. Take Puglia, for example, where the traditional orecchiette is handcrafted to cradle savory sauces. And let's not forget the Tuscan pappardelle, a broad, flat pasta designed to hold hearty ragas. It's not just about the shape, it's about pairing it with the right sauce. Isn't it fascinating how a simple dish of flour and water can be transformed into a symphony of flavors? Number 4. The Pizza Chronicles. Next up, pizza. Originating from Naples, this world-renowned dish has a rich history. The classic margherita was named after Queen Margherita. But did you know it represents the Italian flag? The red tomatoes, white mozzarella, and green basil each symbolize the color of the flag. How cool is that? And it's not just about throwing toppings on dough. There's a whole art to balancing flavors and textures. Ever tried a pizza with buffalo mozzarella and fresh basil? If not, you're missing out. Number 3. Risotto's richness. Moving on to the north, we find risotto. Creamy, hearty, and versatile, this dish exemplifies the Italian knack for transforming simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Ever wondered why it's so creamy? The secret lies in the constant stirring, coaxing the starch out of the arborio rice to create that velvety texture, and with regional variations adding saffron, seafood, or mushrooms. Who could resist a plate of this comforting dish? Number 2. Tantalizing tiramisu. Now, for a sweet interlude, let's talk tiramisu, layered with coffee-soaked ladyfingers and mascarpone cream. This dessert is a coffee lover's dream. Did you know its name means pick me up in Italian? And trust us, with its delightful mix of coffee and cocoa, it's sure to lift your spirits. Ever thought about why this dessert is so irresistible? It's all about the balance between the bitterness of the coffee and the sweetness of the cream. Number 1. Gelato versus ice cream. Last but not least, gelato. Smoother and denser than ice cream, gelato is a sweet revelation. Ever wondered what makes it so creamy? It's the slower churning process and less air, resulting in a denser, more flavorful experience. And with flavors like stracciatella and pistachio, who could say no to a scoop or two? And that wraps up our delicious journey through Italy's traditional dishes. Which one was your favorite? And are there any secret recipes you've discovered? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this culinary adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more flavorful journeys. Buon viaggio and buon appetito!